In this video, I will show you how to reactivate a disabled USPS account. To do that, simply open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for USPS. After that, click on this URL. In the top left corner, you can see these three lines. Simply click on this. Then a menu bar will appear. At the top of it, you can find Sign In button. Click on it. So the reason that your account might have been disabled is because of your multiple attempts to log into your account. So if you're confused about your username or your password, simply scroll down below. Here you can find Forgot Your Username button or Forgot Your Password button. Click on any one. For now, let's click on Forgot Your Password. So that means you know your username. Put in your username. After that, you'll either get a mobile phone verification or you can answer your security questions. Then you can log back into your USPS account. And in case you forgot your username, simply click on Forgot Your Username. After that, you can put in the email address associated with your username and simply click on Continue. Then you will get a mail. You can simply click on the mail and then you'll get a verification code or something there. Simply click on it. Then you can reset your password, reset your username and continue using it. And if your account still remains locked, what you can do is simply call the USPS customer service. From there, they will manually unblock your account. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.